One of 3 workers burned in a construction fire is sharing a story from a hospital bed.
You might remember those workers got badly burned in a fire in the Bronx last month. CBS 2 uncovered a pattern of construction safety violations at that property. Our investigative reporter Tim McNicholas joining us now with the latest. Tim?
Dana and Dick, we have just learned that a lawsuit was filed this afternoon on behalf of two of the three construction workers hurt in this fire. The worker we talked to does not want to show his face because he doesn't want to jeopardize his future employment on other jobs.
Today, he is recovering from burns to his arms, neck, face, and chest in a hospital bed at Jacoby. A couple weeks ago, he was here in the middle of a construction site fire near East Gun Hill Road and Holland Avenue.
How do you feel right now?
He says he's starting to feel better physically, but mentally, he keeps thinking about how much worse it could have been. Building inspectors say a waterproofing material caught fire and burned 3 workers. The worker we talked to says he didn't see how it started, but it spread quickly, prompting this FDNY response.
I saw the fire trucks blocking the lanes.
Scary, because I didn't know what was happening.
After the fire, the city issued 5 violations at the property, including failure to show proof of proper training. CBS 2 has learned the city had already issued more than 25 construction safety violations at the property over the past year, 12 still listed as open. One from March was for failure to conduct a site-specific safety orientation program for all workers. In 2022, the city issued a work permit for the property to a Mark Stagg, who listed the business name BE Bronx Builders LLC, the same company cited in the violations. Mark Stagg is also the CEO of Stagg Group, a major Bronx developer that boasts online it's constructed over 2,500 units in the Bronx, providing quality, affordable homes. And Stagg Group also lists BE Bronx Builders LLC under its Contact Us page. The buildings department said the fire victims are employees of Stagg Group.
Do they do a good job safeguarding their construction sites?
This worker says he earned a steady paycheck and was given materials to work, but not safety training. Now he's suing Stagg Group, and his lawyers say the case is an example of why all developers should prioritize safety.
This case is important because you have a lot of individuals that are in the same situation that our 3 clients are in.
They're essentially taken advantage of in that they don't ask too many questions and they're not given the right guidelines and protection and supervision.
We asked to interview Mark Stagg for this report. Instead, a public relations rep sent us a statement saying, in part, it is always of great concern when someone is injured on one of our job sites, and we strive for strict adherence to all best safety practices.
At first, that PR rep told us he was working with Stagg. Then he said he was working with yet another LLC called Gun Hill BH. Well, we looked up city records to say Mark Stagg is an owner of that LLC. Dick and Dana.
All right, thanks very much.